Unicorn Factory Lisboa was born in 2022 from the vision of the mayor to position the city as one of the main centers of innovation globally.
The Unicorn Factory Skill Up program gives us access to an awesome set of mentors and a wonderfully crafted set of sessions that helps us with all aspects of scaling up a company.
From a single hub in 2022, we have now 3 innovation districts, Beato, Saldanha and Alvalade, and 4 innovation hubs across these innovation districts.
There are 3 main benefits to work with Unicorn Factory. They are related to startups, to the innovation ecosystem that we are part of, and the impactful projects that we can be a part of as well. We're collaborating together with other companies and other public entities means that we can do impactful programs like the Green Hub.
We launched the Youth Entrepreneurship, where we are helping students from early age up to university to really start creating a strong mindset of innovation and entrepreneurship.
The connection Unicorn Factory provided us with mentors was extremely important, as they were able to give us enormous advice and connect us with other opportunities in the system.
At José de Melo, we are committed to transform the Portuguese society through education and entrepreneurship. Thanks to Unicorn Factory, we were able to partnership in reaching out to hundreds of students across different age groups and get them involved with the innovation mindset and the entrepreneurial attitude that we will believe will transform our country.
We launched our international area, where we are establishing bridges with other markets to create a network of ecosystems where startups have access not only to a market, but have access to global markets.
After our participation as an ecosystem partner to the Clean Future program organized by Unicorn Factory Lisboa, we firmly believe that our 2 territories have common interests to develop partnerships at the European scale or even at global.
With the help of all, we will continue elevating Lisbon's innovation ecosystem at a global level.
Lisbon is today a city where 14 companies worth more than $1 billion want to be. Another 70 tech companies came along and settled in Lisbon, announcing altogether more than 15,000 jobs. Thanks to the Unicorn Factory, the European Union awarded us the European Capital of Innovation Award, the biggest European prize money given to the best European city every year, €1 million. So now our challenge is not only to be the capital of innovation of Europe, but also to provide and transform part of that innovation into social welfare for those in need. A city where technology meets social welfare, where no one is left behind, and where every engineer, every entrepreneur, every investor cares about giving back and becomes a force for good. That is the Lisbon way.